Holy cow at the bank, handing out cheese.
They love it.
Yes.
Nothing.
Stormy, you want some? Storm. Oh, I'm
She's
eating
getting a
this.
piece
Thank
right
you.
now. You want one more?
Sassy's just
my
waiting
goodness.
at the front. Let's go back to the
I'll
front
give
so
her
everybody
another
can see.
piece. This girl only got one piece, so we got to give her one more.
Yes.
There you go.
Say fabulous.
Yeah,
Let me put this down. Put your head in. Put your paws in. Thank you.
We got one more piece.
Oh,
Sassy.
big sass. Nelson, your piglet. Total
better watch
piglet. Look at it. It's empty. And this one already got some.
Of course.
Yes. It's fabulous. Holy cow, madman. Let Yoda out and he just is going nuts. Hey, Tuggy! Hi, kid! Come on now. Let's not be dumb. Yoda is an instigator. If I can get it out, my lips are a little bit cold. Look at Giblet giving Tuggy the business. Sass, are you gonna help? Oh, Coda. Where's Cal? Check it out there. Where's Cash? Cash! Cash is here somewhere. Is Cash over there, babe? Oh. Cash! Come! Look at Giblet.
Look at that. There's Cash and Cali.
Oh, there he is. Here we go. All right. The wrecking ball is coming. It's cold and they're still getting in. There's no ice. Oh, Nelson got in. All right, whatever. Cal, you getting in? Oh, no, just getting a drink. Nothing to see here. Mm-hmm. Yes, Tuggy. Oh, I'm back up here. There he is. I always got to let Flurry out last or something bad's going to happen. Bad meaning Flurry's going to do something. Mm-hmm. So this guy up here has 80 acres. We call him Navy Guy. And the people over there that have the lake, they have 40 acres. Really, Flurry? My God. Look at Winston. Oh my God. No idea what's there. Can't be good. I can tell you that. Here's Coda. Cash is here somewhere. Whoops. Let's back up a little. Come on, Cash! Sassy's hanging out at the pond. There he comes. Come on, kid. Let's not get confused this time. Let's do this. Look at him. Look at everybody going this way. Okay. Took a hot second. Come on now. Let's go. Please follow. Let's go. Yeah, I know. Trying to herd the chickens. Let's maintain attention, please. If it's possible. Holy cow. Climbing. I think more trees went down. Could be all the wind we had the other day. Come on, guys. Yes. Let's go, Tug. Come on, kid. Come on, come on. Beep, beep, beep. Cash is up there with Oscar. Oscar will show him the ropes. Hopefully. Coda, where are you going? Coda! No chickens that way. Chicken murderer. There's the running machine. I figured Cash would be following him, and that is not the case. We gotta pause for the cause here. And now, don't you be a menace. Hey! There's playing and being a jerk. It's two different things. Cash! He's here somewhere. I gotta get him from over there to come back this way. Cash, come! Oh my God. This child. I don't know what you were eating or what you were rolling in, son. Obviously eating something. I looked in the GPS, turned around, followed the GPS all the way back to his collar. Thank God his mom and dad had it. And comes out of nowhere, munching on something. No idea. No clue. Come on, Coda, I'm sorry. We had to turn around and go backwards. This is your kind of weather, though. We're up towards East Rock Creek. It's right up there where our pasture fencing is. Steve is installing the gate. Steve went to high school with Tom, and he's putting in this motor on the gate. It looks like something that you would put into a small car. It is a Mac Daddy motor. Come on, guys! Oh, Jesus, they're going to the gate. Come on, guys! Good Lord. He carries this huge branch with him. Totally smacked me in the back of the knees with it. That's awesome. I got to get up here to the gate because I think Cash just ran up to Steve at the gate. Totally have my head on a swivel. All of these children just running and being nuts. Yeah, making sure the murderer doesn't get out of my sight. The wrecking ball, who's just now coming down. Tuggy, who we haven't seen in quite some time, is being outstanding. I was just looking for Cali. Who knows where she was for a hot second. Cash went that way. Cash! This boy, I swear, I need a bell like a cat on him. Something that's a large bell so I can constantly hear him. Cash, come! Just does not go in the same direction the pack is going. We need to work on that. It's a process. Oh, there he is. He's on the other side. You see that little black blob? Hey, Cash, come! He'll get here. Well, Callie's leading us right there in the front. Cash is somewhere. Yeah. All my minions. Checked in. Good boy, Cash. Good check-in. That's all you need to do. Every now and then, check back in. That's all I need. It's kind of like you're making a flower. Go out, come in. Go out, come in. Just, constantly checking. Stormy and Oscar. That's a good match. Winston. Look at Cal. Looks like, who is that? Tuggy? Tuggy! Tuggy! Cash, come! Tuggy, come! Come on, guys! Come on, Tug! Come on, guys! Whoop. There we go. Beep, beep! Come, come! Constantly sound like a cheerleader, don't I? We're in the ravine. Oof. Do not have any water flowing through this creek at all. Maybe a little bit down there. Looks like Winston's gonna eat something in it. Oh, Oscar. Not surprised. That's Oscar's jam to roll and whatever. Come on, guys! Let's go! Yes, Cash! Cash, come on, bud! Good boy! Good boy! Good check-in! Yes! Gotta tell him, good boy! Bravo! Wrong way, Winnie. Where is Coda? He's probably way up front with Giblet. I just got swatted with this branch that Louie has. He went by me and it like spanked me. I was like, whoa! Didn't know what was coming. Just never know around here. Woo! Just got smacked again. Like there's not enough sticks in this entire place. Oh, what? He's already got another one. See, you don't have to be a bulldog. Excuse me, you don't have to be like that, you know? All right, we're at the creek again. This time it's got a little bit more. Oh my God. Oh, Winston! Laying down in chocolate milk. No, Oscar! Don't you lay down in that. You just got groomed. You don't need to smell like septic tank. That's just nasty. No, let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go, guys. Cash. Cash, come. Good boy. Good boy. Good come. Good come. Success. Day 3. Cash did it. We're at the end of the hike. Maybe I shouldn't count my chickens right now because he's not all the way back at the house. He could, at the last moment, lose his mind and take off. Hope not. But, you know, I'm cheering right now. Everybody say a prayer. Goodness. Everybody went on the hike except Sassy. Sassy was the only one that can't. She just weighs way too much and can't. Be nice now. Be nice. Be nice. Yeah, come on. Come on, come on. Let's go. We have success. Cash! He just, oh my God, there he goes. Cash, come! Tuggy, come!